After a very long and very cold COVID Christmas break, Calgary schools are back in session.
I'm excited about it, and especially for my son because, he's missing a lot of the socialization aspect of it all.
They want to see their friends. They haven't seen them for quite a few weeks now.
But the return of in-person learning across BC and Alberta comes as Omicron cases continue to rise, and school-aged children are nowhere near immune.
Approximately 25 to 35 children per day are testing positive at the Alberta Children's Hospital right now. And that's a dramatic spike from where we were with any of the other waves where the peak was generally around 4 to 5 children per day.
Dr. Stephen Friedman does not believe schools should move to remote learning, but he does worry about the variant's rapid spread.
I'm glad they are back in school now and they are doing in-person learning. But I think that should be a last resort, and we really do need to restrict other places, venues, and where individuals are contracting Omicron.
Otherwise, schools may not be able to stay open for long. By noon Monday, with a shortage of more than 300 staff, the Calgary Board of Education moved 5 classes online, something Canadian families east of Saskatchewan were having to deal with already.
It's very hard for the kids to follow and engage with, especially when they're special ed students, right?
With 4 kids on the autism spectrum, Suzelle Munoz is hopeful Ontario kids will return to in-person learning next week as planned. In Toronto, the emphasis is on vaccines.
That booster effort is continuing nonstop in the face of the Omicron variant, along with our push to get kids vaccinated and to help education and childcare workers to get vaccinated so that the province and school boards can get back to in-person learning on January the 17th.
There is widespread consensus across medical professionals that for the social and emotional health and well-being of kids, getting and keeping schools open should be priority number 1, especially as we begin this 3rd year under COVID-19. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.